I eat this?
Yes, dragon fruits are low in sugar.
What we hear,
Hey, what should I get here?
我在这里该点什么呢？
哇，这回数中。
what we see,
Oh. Capture this.
In those tech fiction movies, we all would have seen few out-of-the-world gadgets that act like mini projectors, and you can literally operate it on air. And boom, what if the latest game changer in wearable tech is something of that sort? Picture a tiny, sleek device that's not just a snazzy accessory, but packs a punch of artificial intelligence. Yep, you heard it right. It's the Humane AI Pin, and it's here to give your iPhone a run for its money. Now, let us paint the picture for you. This isn't your average gadget. It's a small square wonder that you can clip onto your clothes with the power of magnets. And let's talk style. Available in black, silver, and gold, it's like the James Bond of wearable tech. But here's the plot twist. Its creators are not just tech wizards, they're ex-Apple geniuses. These are the minds that brought you the iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch, and now they're back with their firstborn, the Humane AI Pin. So, what's the big deal, you ask? Well, it's more than just a fancy pin. It's a tech marvel that operates sans a screen. Say what? That's right, no screen, but it's got voice and gestures on lock. Imagine a laser display projecting onto your hand or any surface, turning your hand into a touchscreen. Now, let's talk about the brains behind beauty. This pin boasts an AI assistant powered by none other than OpenAI GPT-4, the wizardry that also fuels our friendly ChatGPT. We mean, if that's not a power move, we don't know what is. This AI isn't playing games. It's here to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. We are about to spill the beans on how this tiny square is about to make your daily life a breeze. From controlling your smart home to answering your burning question, this AI pin is your virtual sidekick. And the best part? It does all this without you ever having to squint at a screen. It's like having a personal assistant, but cooler. Now, why a pin? Well, it's not just a fashion statement. It's the future of wearable tech. It's chic, and it's about to make your smartphone feel a bit outdated. Who needs a bulky phone when you can have a tiny, AI-powered sidekick that's as stylish as it is smart? What's so special about this pin? What can you do with this? Oh, the list is a mile long. First off, music lovers, rejoice! You can listen to your favorite tunes, podcasts, and audiobooks with a simple touch or a voice command. And it's got a personic speaker, so you can rock out without those pesky headphones. It's like your own little sound bubble. And trust us, it can go from intimate whispers to a full-blown concert in seconds. Need to make a call or shoot a text? No need to fumble with your phone. Just let your voice take the wheel. This pin has its own cellular connection and a plan for unlimited calls, texts, and data. Imagine being in a foreign land and you desperately need to know where the best tacos are. Fear not, the Humane AI Pin has your back. It can translate spoken words into any language on the fly. Just throw a "Hey, translate this to Spanish," and voila, you're ordering tacos like a local. Say cheese. With a simple gesture or a casual "Hey, snap a pic." This pin's got a 13-megapixel camera that's ready to capture all your epic moments. And where do these masterpieces go? Straight to the center website, your personal hub of awesomeness, where all your data is chilling securely. It can also be your health guru. It tracks your fitness goals, keeps an eye on your diet, and even gives you feedback, like having your personal cheerleader in your pocket. Show it a burger, and it'll spill the beans on the calories, ingredients, and whether it aligns with your health plan. Need a reminder to grab milk on your way home? Just say the word. Want to jot down a brilliant idea? The pin's got your back. And if you're feeling lazy, asking for information is as easy as chatting with a friend. It's like having Google at your beck and call, but without the need to type anything, because who has time for that? But here's the real kicker. This device isn't just here to steal the spotlight from your smartphone. It's designed to blend seamlessly into your daily grind, making you the superhero of your own story. It won't distract you or whisk you away from the real world. Instead, it's here to boost your brain power and make you the smartest cookie in the room. And hey, privacy lovers, rejoice! The Humane AI Pin is all about keeping your secrets safe. It's got this Trust Light feature that lets you know when it's eavesdropping or recording, and you can shut it off whenever you please. No shady business here. Plus, it's not storing any transcripts or audio recording. It's all about building a knowledge base that's exclusively yours. yours. Worried about the pin going rogue? Fear not, it's got a safety and alignment system that's basically its moral compass. No harmful or inappropriate content coming your way. This pin is all about keeping it classy and steering in the right direction. Now, you're probably wondering, what sets this pin apart from the sea of other AI gadgets out there? Well, this is the first of its kind. We're talking no direct competitors, folks. Sure, giants like Apple and Meta are cooking up their own wearable AI concoctions, smart glasses, pendants, you name it. And then there are startups like Rewind and Tab diving into the conversation recording game. But here's the kicker, none of them match the Humane AI Pin in terms of functionality, creativity, and good old reliability. Why? Because this pin is powered by the kind of tech that's so advanced it's practically from the future. The GPT-4 technology. That's not just your regular tech jargon, it's the secret sauce behind the Humane AI Pin's awesome. And let us tell you, this pin isn't just getting nods from the tech geek, the whole world is buzzing with excitement. It's like the Beyonce of gadgets, everyone wants a piece of it. People are showering it with praise, and the tech community is doing virtual cartwheels. The demand is so real that you can already pre-order this piece of the future on the Humane website for $699, a small price to pay for joining the AI revolution, right? It's not just a one-time payment and done deal. No, they're throwing in a subscription fee of $24 a month, and you might be thinking, what's that for? Well, it's like getting a VIP pass to the coolest tech party in town. And when's this party happening? Early 2024. Mark your calendars because that's when they'll start shipping out these game-changing pins. So, if you've ever dreamt of being on the cutting edge of tech, of waving goodbye to your old school gadgets, this is your chance. It's telling the world, move over, smartphone. There's a new sheriff in town. So join the club, get your pre-order on, and let's welcome the future with open arms. This is not just a gadget, it's the beginning of a tech revolution, and you definitely want a front row seat for this one. It has add-ons like a wireless charger, a car mount, and even a wristband. It's like the Swiss Army knife of tech, and it's currently strutting its stuff in the US. But hold on, they got plans to take this one worldwide soon. So you know, the world domination of the Humane AI Pin is in progress. Now let's be real, it's not all rainbows and sunshine. Like any new superhero in town, this gadget has its quirks. Sometimes it plays hard to get with voice and hand movements. The laser display might throw a fuzzy or shaky party, and the AI, powered by GPT-4, can be a bit like that friend who's great, but occasionally spills the tea with some off info. But here's the thing, despite these minor hiccups, it's like watching a caterpillar turning into a butterfly. There's potential, there's promise, and we are genuinely psyched to see how it'll squeeze into the daily lives of the early adopters. It's like a plot twist in a movie. You're not quite sure where it's going, but you're on the edge of your seat, popcorn in hand. Now, we want to hear your take on the Humane AI Pin. Is it the tech breakthrough we've all been waiting for, or is it just a glittery fad that'll fade away like yesterday's TikTok trend? Before you go deep into the comment rabbit hole, don't forget to hit that like button. It's like giving a virtual high five. And if you're vibing with the tech talk, hit subscribe because there's a lot more where this came from. Thanks for hanging out, Tech Squad, and we will catch you in the next one. Until then, keep the gadgets buzzing and the A rocking.